Good morning, folks. It's day 6 and I am don't one of them days. Ugh. The struggle is real. I'm going to go and close the gate because that's the responsible thing to do. We need some fuel as well. And I need to put the calf in the sat-nav. There we go. There we go. There we go. Right. Oh, let's do that first. So the other guys have literally just left. I was busy brushing my teeth and I told them just come on, quite a lot. Carry on. Seven minutes. So we can get some fuel on the way. There we go. And where we're off to is a place called Chapter 1 Cafe, and the host has been, he's hosting us for the morning in support of the trip, and he's also put on a special breakfast this morning for us. So hopefully there'll be a couple of people there. We'll see when we get there. But I have been absolutely slaughtered by hay fever. It's a real struggle today, a proper struggle. I need to find some level of concentration, and so folks, we went to Chapter 1 Diner for breakfast. Wonderful hospitality from those guys, really nice people, very much appreciated. And I'm just at Exeter Services trying to get out of here. The people just make up their mind what they're doing. As you can probably tell, I'm very bunged up. Struggling this morning, really not feeling it at all, not one iota, if I'm honest. But there's one more point to do, and then I'm going to make a decision. I really don't think I can face pitching that tent one more night. Which, when you're watching this video, you're probably thinking, well, it's only one more night, you've done all of them. I am absolutely beaten. I knew this would be difficult, this many miles and this many days, but I am absolutely defeated. And this sheer idea, not even necessarily so much pitching the tent, it's the setting it all back down and packing up again tomorrow morning and then setting off. I just don't know if I can do it. So I have found a potential room that I could use, so I'm weighing up whether to book that nearer the place, or I could even get to the most easterly point, and then I could travel home. It'd be a very long day then, but then I'd be at home. I think that's it's starting to appeal to me, to be honest. I'm going to ride 16 miles inland anyway. There's a very severe temptation to do that, but never mind. Yeah, I could be at home for 8 o'clock this evening. Especially if it's raining, I'd rather just suffer it. I'm leaning more towards that option, to be honest. I couldn't for the life of you tell you where the other guys are because the tracker hasn't been working. For the last half an hour or so. But yeah, let's get on the road. Let's see how we do for time. It's currently saying about 5 o'clock to get into the most easterly point. That's 6 hours away. So you must be able to see it from over here, I guess. Everybody must be slowing down to look at it, which of course we will do as well. But we're going to jump the queue a little bit first, if we can. Be mindful I've got the panniers on the back. It would make sense. Maybe you can't see it from the road. Well then I am confused. What is all this traffic for? Oh, pannier boxes. Pannier boxes. Come on, give me a clearing. So it seems you can't see it from the road, and it's entirely monetised, as with most things in this world. Bizarre. I mean, I get it because it needs preserving, it needs looking after. But I can't see a bunch of stones in the ground needing the same kind of maintenance and renovation as, say, an old stately home or something of that nature. They stood there long enough before we messed with them again. Put them in the order that we thought they went in. Thank you. Like screen wash in the eye. It's lovely for me, that. So we went to Stonehenge and didn't see it. Never mind. Well, I'm going to continue battling through this traffic, guys, and I'll rejoin you with something of interest, or with the most easterly point in the UK, whichever comes first. So I lied, you absolutely can see it, and it's right there.
Stonehenge, where the demons dwell.
It's a good way over from the car park. And people have to walk all that way. There it is then. It's literally just as I turned the camera, I looked left, and there it was. I said I'd let you join me when there was something interesting. It's not overly interesting, but we have reached the M25, so we are doing the North Circular of London now. I think that's one of the guys that was with us. Probably not. Oh. But yes, we're making our way round. We've got 162 miles to do to get to the most northern point, and it's going to be 20 to 6 when we've done that. Onwards it goes, onwards and onwards. It's a tough old run. Been quite boring this route, to be honest. They've come along the M4, so they might be ahead of me now. We'll have to wait and see. In 24 miles we would have done 2,000 miles. That's a long way. I'm on holiday from work as well, I am. This is my holiday. Oh, I do amuse myself. Anyway, talk to you in a little bit. Here we go, folks. We've got 10 miles to go, and as you can see, it is pouring down again. What a way to finish. Oh, east and west have not been kind. North and south weren't so bad. No weird's that, but yeah. So long. I don't know where the other chaps are at the moment. Last time I used the tracker, it didn't really show me, so we'll soldier on, and hopefully they'll be there. If not, we'll see whether they've been and gone, or if we'd be waiting for them, I guess. But yeah, it's bizarre to not have seen them all day except for breakfast. And I apologise if you can't see. I mean, there's not much to see. It's all a bit, yeah, damp. But we're finishing off the miles. We're getting there, and hopefully we'll be done and sorted very shortly. That's the plan anyway. Oh dear. It has been a journey. We're at 2,126 miles right now. It's taken me to do this. I don't know about the other chaps. Obviously we started from a different point, so they might have done slightly more. But yeah, it's been eye-opening. Oh dear. Obviously we've still got to get back to the Midlands yet, after all of this. But yeah, 8 miles to go. I'll see you at the post. So here we go, guys, we are 1 mile away. I've got wet feet again, wet boots. And a fuel light on, so we're going to need some fuel. That's a given. I was half expecting that. I just wanted to get here, wherever that is. Oh, still not seen anybody. So, let's see what Ness Point brings. Yes, we have made it, and they've made it. Obviously, I've already been here on my own for hours and hours when it was dry. Now I'm soaked, because Darren's been singing really. But yeah, 4 corners done. It's emotional, I think.
You got to find a friend with that's all we got.
Done.
Done.
Are you done?
Yeah, I'm fucking done.